It is the mango season now, and there is nothing perfect more than sticky rice and mango. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the sticky rice. It's easy. You need just 3 ingredients, which is the glutinous rice. You can find it in the Asian grocery. Coconut milk, I prefer this brand. Sugar and the delicious mango.
Put the glutinous rice in the bowl of water. Leave it for 4 hours. Then drain it and put it on the cheesecloth or steaming basket. I like to put the pandan leaves to make it more fragrant. Steam it for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare the coconut milk mixture. With 100 grams of sugar, 2 grams of salt, 105 grams of coconut milk, mix them together and set aside. After 15 minutes, put the rice into the coconut mixture. Mix until all the rice absorb the liquid generously. Cover with a lid and leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, flip the rice from the bottom to the top. Close the lid again for another 20 minutes. Let's make the coconut sauce. 60 grams of coconut milk, 15 grams of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix well and put on the low heat. Remove it from heat when the sauce was thickened. Put the sauce on top of the sticky rice as you like. And bon appetit! I hope you enjoy my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Taste and Trek.